Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to fix microphone or headset echo on Windows 11. Go to Windows, Settings, System, and Sound. Here, we need to access more sound settings. Click on your mic, hit Properties, then Listen, and uncheck the box. It should look like this without the check mark. There. Next. Uncheck this box and click Apply. Now go to Headphones or Speakers, click Properties, then Advanced. Remove this checkbox here and click Apply. Click OK. This should solve your problem. That's all for now. This was Weller. Like and subscribe to the channel. Have a great life. Good luck. See you later.